Have you ever heard the saying that the root of all suffering is desire? This is one of the Four Noble Truths as quoted by the Buddha. And this belief is saying that when we desire something, when we want for something, it creates suffering. And in many ways, I do believe this to be true, but I don't think it is our actual desires that are making us miserable, but it is the emotion behind the desire. So when we want something, when we desire something, when we want something physical or we want something different to happen in our lives, we can either have an emotion of excitement and joy and expectancy behind that desire, or we can have a feeling of lack, a feeling of I don't have that, a feeling of sadness, a feeling of lack. And whenever we hold on to those negative feeling emotions, whenever those emotions are attached to our desire, that's what's creating misery. That's what's creating suffering. So it's not the desire itself, but whenever we hold a desire and we don't believe that it's going to happen, or if we have contradicting thoughts, at one moment we believe it's happening and the next we doubt that it could ever become true. One moment we're calling it towards us and the next we're pushing it away with our thoughts, with our beliefs, with our actions. Whenever we have this contradicting push and pull around our desires, we create misery. So if there's something in your life that you want, something that you want to be different, something that you want to change, something you wish you could call in or bring into your life that isn't here now, go deeper and see what the emotion is behind the desire. Are you sitting with that desire, not expecting it to come true? Are you sitting with that desire, expecting to never see it happen? Are you pushing that desire away? Or are you sitting with that desire in a sense of expectancy? Are you sitting with that desire in a feeling of excitement? In a feeling of, I can't wait till that happens? Are you expecting your desire to come true? So whatever it is that you want, your desires are not creating your suffering. It's the emotion behind it. So take a moment and see if you can shift your emotion. And the more you can be happy and excited about your desires, the quicker they'll come into your lives, and the more you'll eliminate suffering, and you'll eliminate your misery, and you'll start to feel good, and then more things will come into your life and flow into your life to make you feel even better.